for me to be obsessed with? What do you have for me to want to be obsessed? What? Let it make sense. Uno not make no sense. Because uno push this shit too much. Uno push this shit too much. Uno see me I do my thing. Why uno mention people name on my comment? Me can never understand. Make the people them live them life over here. And this is the last time me I go say it. Me tired of it. Me tired of it. Me tired of it. At least me never run go breathe for no body married man. And it rest there so. Alright. Me can't play my match now. Jesus Christ, man. Every day is the same thing. If me I post one of my Amazon package them, the girl obsessed, the girl this, the girl that. At least me obsessed and me never go breathe for nobody married man. Me never go breathe for nobody married man. I never me. Send you go do it. Thank you. I never me send you go do it. Why on earth? Me can never understand. No, sound really obsessed with me. This is really sad. You don't need to stop call up people name over here. Me and see all day talk. And all me could have seen in the comment section is you're obsessed with the woman. Me say the woman name I go up in the comment section. Like, if you go on my post them right now, I delete me if I delete comment and block people. Because all me can see is this woman. Me never know so I change my name. And why is it my videos so important and based off her? Why everything me do? I fear her name to mention on my comment section. I have a life of my own. And at least me never go breathe for nobody married man. And I'm gonna always say this. And okay. Who is the home wrecker? Because the last time I checked, I never me breathe for the married man. So when
but Shani, even if we are say right now a logic facts.
Me not tell no lie, everything what me say is facts. And me not come out and tell no when no go so. I saw it go for true.
But Shani, maybe the man and the wife did separate at that time. You can't just come say this. Maybe them did separate at that time.
Stop mention the woman name on my page. If them a go say something about the woman go somewhere else, we did not come over here, so we me tired of it. That's why me a lash out so now because me tired. Me tired of see this woman name. Me tired of see this woman name under my comment section, which has nothing to do with her. Why is it that my video them, you have to comment on them with this woman name? Why you have to come under my live to talk about this lady? Is it her live or my live? I don't fear her live. We're not friends. So why you not mention this woman name? At least I never me go breed for the married man. I never me go breed for the married man. Blood clot. Me tired of uno. Every day is the same thing. If me post one video with my wig, it make him angry. It make him angry. And you see me, don't play with me. Me look simple. Me might look like this. I might be angry sometime. But I pray. I pray and God love me. And him answer my prayer them. And him don't play with me. So you see, when you put your mouth on me, if you have pick me, if you have your mother, your brother them, if you want to live a long, happy, healthy life, go ahead and keep your mouth shut when it comes on to me. If you don't want a generational curse take you, Go your merry way and block me. Block me before you say nothing bad about me, because you see when me go in a prayer and start to tell God about you and the things them him see, me even have to tell him. Anytime I hear water drop, I start to talk to my God, a problem. And it done this song. Me not have nothing more to say. And my God a fight for me, and no man a fight for me, a God a fight for me. Me need to get back my old number them what I have, because I did change my number. I changed my number the other day. I need to get back some old number what I did have. Yeah, I God a fight for me. So when God a fight for me, I don't even worry about nothing no more. I just leave everything in them hands. And him fight my back with them for me. When people are talk about God, I don't feel like say, I know look a joke thing. We don't need to listen and be like, we don't need to believe. And I feel like say this is a problem with this generation. Them don't believe. You don't believe in a God. You don't believe say power real. Me have so much testimony. Me have so much time. That come on my door. That come on my door much time. And couldn't take me. Because I'm a prayer when I pray. I'm a grandmother will pray for me. A whole heap of time I live to see this. Whole heap of testimony me have. Me all have things that happen to me when I even contact. But me I go keep that for the future, because me know how powerful me is. And me know say me I go successful. And me know what me capable of. And me know what me I go become. And me know say my voice I go be heard. And me know say me go educate younger girls. And me go lead them in the right path. And me know say me go to charity. People who are in need. And me go give back. Me know that. I know. I see it. I see it, and this is what enemies see, and this is what they see, and they don't want me to pursue that. Them don't want me to pursue because them see how great me gonna be. You know, say you have some people who can look on you and see your destiny. Sorry for some of you. I'm sorry for some of you. But literally just read up myself a while ago. I just read myself up a while ago on the live. I literally just told you guys about me and what's gonna happen to me. I'm gonna.
Yeah, you say you're gonna be one leader will motivate the young girls.
Yep. No matter who you are, let me say something to you. No matter who you are, God can use you. God can use you no matter who you think it is.